Now is it fine? Everybody is joined now? Your roll number is Ashutosh. Anybody knows what is report writing? What is a report writing? Nobody knows.
Ma'am, in report writing, we simply write about some incident or some event that took place.
Okay. And what are the necessary points that has to be kept in mind while writing a report? Mahesh Kumar Shukla is in your class. Roll number 29.
Yes, ma'am, I think he is in our class.
Okay.
While writing report, we
Hmm.
should write the time and the place where that thing. मतलब हम लोग तो ऐसे ही लिखते थे report writing.
Ma'am,
Very
we should
important.
always use
Firstly,
past form of sentence.
what?
Ma'am, report we always write in past form that it is already been done, like in past tense. I mean to say.
That's why you are writing a report, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Firstly, be very sure about the title. The title is very important, है ना? Then, whosoever you are writing the report, है ना? That
Introduction.
name has to be there. Huh? Then your content should be there. Okay? And very small reports are written. It's not like an essay, है ना? 300, 400 words में नहीं लिखा जाता. Okay? Just small reports are written. Okay? Maybe in 200 words, 100 words, 150 words. Okay? Whatever the content is there, you write that, plus how you are expressing it, how nicely in a very short this thing you people are writing it. Do you remember in class 12th we used to write this thing na 60 words? What's that known as? That's
Pressy.
some Pressy. Yeah. So we used to how many of you have done that? That 60 words Pressys?
Ma'am, I have done.
Aditi, you must have done, है ना?
Even I have done.
अनसीन का जब लास्ट में करना रहता था
Yes, ma'am.
12
And we
ब्लॉक्स
have to
बना
make it
के
from
देन इधर
comprehensive.
5 करके, हाँ, डिवाइड करके सारा,
Yes,
देन
ma'am. वो 10 rows and 6 columns में से.
10 rows and 6 columns. So this that was the pre-say, है ना? And who else has done that?
I have done.
Gaurang, you have done. Okay. Ambia Ali is not there in your class, na?
No, ma'am.
Again, she has joined. I mean, she's in the waiting.
And we never came across this name.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. इस बार अगर कहीं पे भी लिंक शेयर किया आप लोगों ने आलतू फालतू जगह, then you just wait and watch. All the boys. Hmm. अरे वाह, very nice. अगर suppose if you are given a this thing, any situation has been given to you, है ना? And उस पे अगर बोला जाए आपको रिपोर्ट राइटिंग आ गया अगर क्वेश्चंस में, एग्जाम्स में, तो सब लोग लिख लेंगे? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking all of you.
I
Ujjwal
think
Singh.
it's better.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I think it's
What
better if you give a format because most of them are, I think, hesitant.
नहीं, yes, I will give the format. Obviously, I will give the format. But just tell me, will you be able to write it?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe in 150
Yes,
to
ma'am.
Yes,
200
ma'am.
words. You have to explain. कुछ भी कबाड़ा नहीं लिखना है, ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. बिल्कुल to the point लिखिएगा. All right? Okay. Suppose what can be a कोई भी सिचुएशन बताइए आप लोग, कुछ भी. जैसे हम लोग एप्लीकेशंस लिखते हैं ना स्कूल्स में, एप्लीकेशंस लिखा है कि नहीं सबने?
Yes, ma'am.
Write a letter to your principal, to your teacher, है ना? To
Mm.
the editor of the newspaper. सबने लिखा है ना? Applications.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
It's not application, but it's a report. Okay. All right. Shall I give you one this thing? Okay. All right. Write down one this thing. Uh, see, all of us know that plastic bags have been banned. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
So, okay. So we have to, you have to write a report. You are a reporter, okay? And you have to write a report to your state government, all right? Telling them that uh, since the plastic bags have been banned, but still there are some people, those who are using it, and it is causing what? Plastic bags cause what?
Pollution.
Serious
Yes,
cost to the environment.
yes, correct. They're causing serious damage, serious serious
Harms.
threat to the environment. All right. So your state government has banned the use of plastic bags, and you are a reporter at maybe tell me some company name. Okay, all right. See, you people are reporter of Times of India. Okay, all right. So you have to write a report on not more than 100 to 150 words. That would be sufficient. All right. On how the ban is being ignored and what damage this indiscriminate use of plastic bags is causing to the environment. Is that fine? Shall I repeat or everybody got it? Just simple this thing. See, okay. See, your state government has banned the use of plastic bags, है ना? And you are the reporter of Times of India, ठीक है? Then write a report in not more than 100 to 150 words on how uh, the ban is being ignored and how the ban is being ignored and what damage it's causing to the environment and what damage it's causing to the environment. Okay, is it fine? तो किस किस चीज का ध्यान रखेंगे आप लोग रिपोर्ट लिखते समय? सबसे पहला टाइटल, है ना? देन
Yes, ma'am.
the name, then your content, okay, and how you people are expressing, how nicely you people are expressing in not more than 150 words, है ना? 100 to 150 I said ना? How precisely you people are explaining it, that is more important. Okay, कम शब्दों में कैसे आप लोग बहुत ही अच्छा उसको एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. Okay, is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
आप लोग उसे लिखेंगे, then I'll tell you. All right, पहले आप लोग लिखिए. Just let me check how you people are writing. Okay, बहुत ही कॉमन सी ये है. All of you are aware of this fact, है ना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
कोई परेशानी, दिक्कत, कुछ कहीं पे? अभी तक जितना हम
अभी
लोगों ने
लिख के
लिखा.
देना है कि बाद में?
हाँ,
मैम अभी लिख के देना है कि बाद में?
अभी नहीं बेटा, अभी नहीं, कल. ओके, आराम से लिखिएगा, देन कल देखते हैं हम. ऑल राइट.
Yes, ma'am.
And whatever we have written in communication, everybody understood that?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Ma'am,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
मैम स्टेप वाइज लिखना है कि मैम पैराग्राफ टाइप?
क्या ये?
यस मैम।
सी, जो कंटेंट होगा वो पैराग्राफ में होगा, बाकी आप ऐसा हेडिंग टाइप का लिखेंगे ना, टाइटल एंड ऑल। ठीक है, ओके,
ओके मैम। यस मैम।
गॉट इट। हाँ, ऐसे रहेगा। नाउ आई रियली मिसिंग द क्लासरूम एंड द ब्लैक बोर्ड। ओके, तो जितना भी हम लोगों ने लिखा है कम्युनिकेशन में, उसमें कोई दिक्कत?
Ma'am,
हम्म
ma'am, I was absent when you told everyone about the verbal and non-verbal communication.
अच्छा,
तो मैम उसको थोड़ा सा बता दीजिए।
क्या वर्बल एंड नॉन?
हेलो।
Am I audible? Yes.
यस मैम।
So you want to ask verbal and non-verbal? है ना महिमा?
यस मैम।
Okay. So
मैम
everybody
वर्बल
understood?
कम्युनिकेशन,
हाँ हाँ, प्लीज।
वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन वर्ड के अपने वर्ड एक्सप्रेस करने पे मैम बोलते हैं, और नॉन वर्बल मैम फेस एक्सप्रेशन के मैम उससे होता है।
वेरी गुड। सी, जो साइंस होते हैं, गेस्चर्स होते हैं, सिग्नल्स होते हैं, दैट इज ऑल व्हाट?
मैम नॉन
इशारे
वर्बल।
करके बोलते हैं, क्या है वो? नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन है ना? एंड
यस मैम।
वर्बल इज व्हाट?
मैसेज बाय
द
वर्ड, ट्रांसफर ऑफ मैसेज बाय वर्ड।
यस, जब हम बोलते हैं, बातचीत करते हैं आपस में, दैट इज वर्बल। ईदर इट इज बोल के और लिख के। ठीक है, वो क्या हो गया? दैट इज अंडर वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, है ना? और नॉन वर्बल कब होगा?
यूज ऑफ फेस, गेस्चर, अटायर, आईज।
महिमा, अंडरस्टूड?
यस मैम।
एनीथिंग एल्स?
मैम फॉर्मल और इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन बता दीजिए मैम थोड़ा।
फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन।
यस मैम।
ओके, कौन बताएगा? फॉर्मल, व्हाट इज फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन एंड व्हाट इज इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन? एनीबॉडी प्लीज? अदिति, दीपेश, व्हाट इज फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन? नो वन? Hmm. 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 ओके। बेसिकली फॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन किस लिए होता है? हम कहते हैं कि ना, है ना, कि यू शुड वेयर द फॉर्मल्स एंड देन गो, है ना?
यस मैम।
कपड़ों में हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि फॉर्मल पहन पहन के जाना है। इंटरव्यू में क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग? हम लोग पूछते हैं कि जब बच्चों से पूछा जाता है पहली बार कि कैसे जाएंगे इंटरव्यू में, तो फर्स्ट लाइन क्या होती है आप लोग की? कि वी विल वेयर फॉर्मल्स, है ना?
यस मैम।
तो फॉर्मल itself is a word used for offices, for interviews, है ना? For
यस मैम,
various
रिस्पेक्टिव और ग्रीटिंग्स।
departments, है ना? तो formal
यस मैम।
communication is basically from the topmost leader to the various employees. Those are working under him. This is what formal communication. Okay. When you have to talk
यस मैम।
to when you have to talk to me, to the principal, that has to be what? A formal type of
फॉर्मल।
communication. है ना? And when you're
यस मैम।
talking to your family, to your friends, to your neighbors, then that is what?
इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन।
Informal communication, correct?
यस मैम।
With all your colleagues who are there attending the class, है ना? So this is what?
इनफॉर्मल मैम।
In which you are talking in a friendly manner. That is a informal communication.
इनफॉर्मल मैम।
Okay?
यस मैम।
Anything else? First, let us complete this. Then we are going to quickly this thing revise whatever we have written. All right. Okay. All the communication portion, whichever I have, given you notes, I'm going to revise it with you people. And whichever line, whichever word you have not understood, read it nicely. Okay. Once, twice, thrice, read it. And whichever line, whichever this thing you're not understanding, just let me know. Mark it there with a different pen, mark it there. And then we are going to discuss at that point of time. All right. Yes or no?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, communication between the parents and the child is formal or informal?
इनफॉर्मल।
Hmm. Wow. See, after this formal and informal communication, there are so many types of informal communication also. There are so many types of formal communication also. But you people don't have that in your syllabus. All right. Got it? So we are going to, two people are in the waiting room. Bhagwat Prasad. He's not there na, in our class.
नो मैम।
नो मैम।
All right. Then we are going to meet tomorrow and write the report. All right.
Ma'am, timing?
Timing for tomorrow,
Yes, ma'am.
10 o'clock. Okay.
यस मैम।
All right. Thank you so much. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, there is one question. Ma'am. In the definition for communication, you have given so many
Hmm.
authors. So, ma'am, is it
Huh.
necessary we have to write all those, or we can write just one?
Nahi, nahi, nahi. You don't have to write all this thing. You don't have. Nobody can remember all the
Yes, ma'am.
definitions, है ना? Just you just remember maybe 2 3,
Any, ma'am, any.
2 or 3, हाँ any। अब
Okay.
ऐसे ऐसे बोल करके पूरा पेपर जो है बाहर निकलवा लीजिए आप लोग, ठीक है?
No, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
All
ma'am.
right, I'll tell you the whole paper, ठीक है? All right, everyone.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now see the response. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All right. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good night, ma'am.
Good night, Yokendra.